Hi, my name is Tricia Markey. I am a value consultant here at Ecosystems. I've been a value consultant for over 15 years, literally working with thousands of reps and their customers across thousands of business cases trying to help make their value clear. Today what I wanted to talk to you about was how to have more strategic conversations with your customers using the Value Management Office. If we now want to talk about trusting the process, we literally in the Value Management Office have thousands of templates at your disposal to use. And if we assume what we know about the customer, we're going to be wrong. I've had a rep tell me before to stick to reducing expenses, reducing operational efficiencies. We get into a customer situation and the customer says, it's great, I'm very happy to reduce costs, I'm very happy to improve my operational efficiency, but Tricia, can you tell me this? If I can show how I can keep my systems up and running more often, I have less downtime, and I'm able to respond to my customers quicker, that actually improves the relationship that I have with my internal customers. Can you help me model that? And from the Value Management Office, that's exactly what we want to do. You want to be able to look at more elements of value beyond what a dollar says. We have personal value drivers, we have motivational value drivers, we have social value drivers, all of which we can bring to the table for the customer. Thank you all for listening, and I hope this is helpful for you in your next conversation with your customer. If you need help, certainly reach out at vmo@ecosystems.us, and we are here to help make your value clear.